My best and excellent good day. My name is David, physical therapist. I wanted to touch base on dry needling, its benefits, and how it works. So, dry needling is used to target specific muscles that are tight, typically on clients that work on desk, have a long, prolonged posture, and have spasms. It increases muscle oxygenation. It increases oxygen circulation, promote healthy blood flow, increases range of motion, loosens stiffened muscles, and decreases joint pain. This is fast relief. Florida allows us to do it. We're certified. We'll bring this technology to your house, make you feel better. How does it work? We penetrate to the area that is most bothersome, and we penetrate specifically to the spasm. We palpate before we do this, and we gather our information so we can be precise and get you the fast relief needed. Go ahead and get in touch with us. If you want fast pain relief, we can make it happen. We combine manual therapy with dry needling for your best possible outcomes. Have an excellent day.